Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share about my recent stay at Hotel Sosei Sapporo M Gallery. This is a relatively new hotel that opened in January 2024 in a refurbished building within the Sapporo Factory Complex. This boutique hotel features 118 luxury rooms and suites and offers complimentary Wi-Fi. The first floor houses the reception desk, lounge, restaurant, gym, and meeting rooms. We visited in October, which explains the Halloween decor throughout the hotel. I've also seen the hotel decked out in Christmas decor for December. The reception very thoughtfully prepared goodie bags for my kids, which we received upon check-in. It was truly a great way to get the kids excited about the stay. Unfortunately, there is no coin laundry facility on site, but everything else was excellent and I would not consider it a deal breaker. As with many hotels, you'll need to tap your room key to access the other floors. Our room was on the third floor. This is what the lift lobby looks like. I really liked the overall interior of this hotel. This is what our room looked like. The entryway is a little narrow, but the overall size of the room is very spacious, especially for Japan standards. There is a nice full-length mirror over here, a wall-mounted television, two very comfortable queen-sized beds, and a lounging area over at the corner. There's ample space for all of your bags and belongings. A coffee maker with to-go cups and sustainably packed drinking water. A cute little kettle and drinkware. And a selection of teas. Of course, there's also a mini fridge down here. Closet space with other essentials like a flashlight and safe, and of course pajamas you can use during your stay, as well as comfy bedroom slippers. There's also a spacious bathroom with a nice deep tub. The shower area is also separated from the toilet area. The amenities provided are all sustainable as well. The toilet is of course high-tech and the lid opens without having to touch. Overall, the room was very comfortable and clean and made for a nice place to relax after a long day of sightseeing. Our stay didn't include breakfast, but we paid for it on our last morning. The spread was pretty small compared to other hotels, but I really liked the ambiance of the restaurant.